awas tikungan katanya. Wah, Rigi ke bawah.
This is the battle for fourth place here at the Red Bull Ring. This is the fight for the top three places. Still Tranmere with that half a second lead that sort of goes up to 6 tenths and drops down to 4 tenths in various sectors. So he's just been able to manage that gap back to Jack Miller quite comfortably. Really sliding out of that Pramac Ducati. Bit of a nose twitch there from Tranmere on the drop to turn 9. A couple of times he's getting a bit loose in the braking zones.
Itu lihat
Martin from here
tikungan.
at this stage of the race. He looks so good right now. Yeah, they're losing touch up
Ah,
in the top three. Brad Binder's now all over the tail of Dobby. Yeah, I've just got some really rhythm. They've just swapped first or best laps of the race, and Vincenzo is going to have a big problem that's coming in bright orange. Quick Zarco check, he's gone past 3 riders, he's up into 19th at the moment, but no points on offer at present. As Brad Binder now then gets into the slipstream, Vizioso.
Nah gitu ke sono.
This morning he's in the low 124s, he's not anywhere near that at the moment. Yeah, you just wonder.